Welcome to Fusion 360. These tutorials will help guide you in order to make your first digital camera. Once you've logged into Fusion 360, everything that you do is saved onto a cloud, so nothing is actually saved onto your computer. That means that if you open up a brand new document, and you'll see this little data panel on the side here, alright, that links to all your information that's in the cloud. So the first thing we should do is we should save, and let's just call it tutorial camera, and we'll call it version 1. Alright, I want it in that folder. I've also got a watch folder, but I just want it in the camera tutorial folder, and I'll hit save. So what that'll do is that'll now save this document that I have here. As you can see, it's in the process of doing that online. So this little Rubik's Cube, or the data panel, is basically what gives you access to open up any saved jobs once you've done them. So you can just click it to minimize it, and that'll give us a nice open space to work with. As you can see along the top, we've got a ribbon bar. Alright, these features and buttons allow you to create sketches, modify objects in a 3D environment, so we can manipulate them in order to create a digital camera. Along the side here is our browser, and that basically gives us an itemized account of what we're doing when we're creating our objects. Down the bottom is something similar. It's an activity list. So as we create objects on our screen, that'll show the process that we've done all along here. So I'll show you that in more detail a bit later. You've got some buttons on the back, on the bottom here. So Orbit tool allows us to rotate our viewpoint to wherever we want. Our pan tool allows us to grab around the viewpoint that we've located on. You've got zooms in here. You can turn your grid snaps on and off. Okay, you should keep everything to snap to grid, so whenever you're drawing, it'll draw nicely on these squares. On the right hand side here, you've got a view cube. So if you hit on the view cube, it'll take you to the top view, an angle view, a front view. Alright, if you see that we get a bit lopsided here, you can change that based on those arrows on the left hand side there. Or if you're totally unsure of where you are spatially, you can hit the home button, and that'll always take you to this default setting. Alright, so up the top we'll be using a lot of these tools in order to make our camera, and that's basically a quick layout of Fusion.